If you've recently updated to iOS 17 and noticed that your custom ringtones or text tones have disappeared, don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'll walk you through some simple steps to get your custom sounds back. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's make your iPhone is fully updated. Sometimes a small update can fix bugs. Go to Settings, go to General, and tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Next, let's check your ringtone settings. Head over to Settings and tap on Sounds and Haptics and tap on Ringtone. If your custom tones are missing, they might need to be reselected. Let's see if they're still there. Scroll through the list and see if your custom tones are visible. If they are, just tap on one to set it as your default ringtone. If your ringtones are still missing, it's time to resync them. This can often resolve the issue. Here's how you can do it using iTunes or iPhone Finder. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable and open iTunes. Select your device, go to the tone section and make sure your custom ringtones are listed. If not, drag and drop them back into the section. Finally, click Sync to transfer them to your iPhone. Sometimes iCloud settings can mess with your custom tones. Let's check those next. Go to your settings, tap on your name and go to iCloud. Make sure your iCloud drive is turned on. If it's already turned on, try toggling it back on and off again. And there you have it. Those are the steps to recover your custom ringtones and text tones after the iOS 17 or 18 update.